exercise, another training technique for strengthening your body. Everybody's heard about core stability, so we're going to talk about the plank exercise, some of your core muscles, which is your trunk and abdominal muscles. The plank is simply holding your body off the ground from your elbows to your toes and holding this position. Now, it may look fairly easy. The world record is actually, I believe, 33 minutes, held by a guy in his 40s from Queensland. So if you feel that way inclined to break some records, have a go at the plank. Usually in a training session we do maybe 30 seconds at a time, up to a minute. There's different variations of the plank. This is just a static plank, and I'll show you a few variations.